Has it ever happened to you that you've lost all your motivation to create? All the ideas seem boring, or you might feel lazy? Well, it happens to all of us. Be it because of creating the same thing again and again, having too much stress, or some other reason. It has struck even the best of artists. And this is what we call an art block. For this, what I like to do is something I hate. Yep, I'm not kidding. Let's say you hate studying, which most of us do. So, when lacking motivation, do it. Study or at least try to. The main reason being that you'll be more exhausted from studying. And isn't it the middle of a class when creativity sparks and you create numerous masterpieces? The other, less torturing, painful methods would be to listen to music, wind down, and relax. Taking a break isn't a bad thing. It's a checkpoint before the next stage. While you may not stay forever, it still feels good to be relaxed, isn't it? Or you could just, I don't know, forcefully create art until your hand wears off or something. That's one way to do it.